Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry problem. So here we are given that a nice right triangle in which the length of its base is 11 and the length of hypotenuse is A and the length of perpendicular side is B. So here we need to find the area of this right triangle as well as we need to find the sides length, unknown sides length. Okay, so we need to find A and B. But here you remember one thing is that our A and B must be an positive integer. Okay, so here you very well know about the right triangle. The side opposite to the 90 angle is called the hypotenuse and the side which join these two angles is called the base, and this side is called the perpendicular side of this triangle. So now here we know about right triangle. The Pythagoras theorem is also hold in a right triangle. So here the Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is the our Pythagoras theorem. So now here we need to substitute the values of A, B and P. So the value of H is A, so we put it here, it will becomes A square. The value of B, our base, is 11 square, and the value of P is B square. Okay, so further you see here we need to simplify the terms, and here we move this B square in the left hand side and it will be written as A square minus B square equals to 11 square, and we know that 11 square equals to 121. Okay, so further in the next step here we focus in the left hand side, and we know that A square minus B square is equals to A minus B times of A plus B, and this is equals to 121. So here we know in the right triangle the longest side of the right triangle is called the hypotenuse. It means that A be the longest side, or A is greater than the other two sides. The length of H is greater than the other two sides. Okay, so it means that the length of A must be greater than the length of B, and if we add A plus B, then it is also greater than A minus B. Okay, so it means that the factor A plus B is greater than A minus B, or the factor A minus B is less than the factor of A plus B. So now in the next step, here we in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to find the product of two numbers whose equals to 121. So the product of these numbers are 11 times of 11 becomes 121, and this is the first possibility, and the second possibility is 1 multiplied by 121. So 1 times of 121 equals to 121. So we have these two possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is 121. So that now, but if you focus on this possibility, we need any two numbers in which the one number is greater than the second number. But here you see that these two numbers are equal, so this does not satisfy this condition, so we rejected this case and we can just proceed here this case only. Okay, so now here we compare the left hand side with these two numbers, and we easily get the value of A plus B equals to 121, and the value of A minus B equals to 1. Okay, so we have these two values of A plus B and A minus B, and now here we need to solve these two linear equations, and we easily get the values of A and B. So this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here first we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when you add these two equations, then you see here this is plus B and this is minus B, so these two values are cancelled by each other, and we will get here 2A equals to 122. Okay, so here we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So we divide by 2 on both of the sides because we need to find the value of a. So this 2 is cancelled out by this 2 and we get our a is equals to, this is 2, 6 is 12 and 2 ones are 2. So this is the value of a. So the value of a equals to 61, and now we need to find the value of b. So in order to find the value of b, we need to substitute this value of a in equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that this is a minus b equals to 1. The value of a is 61 minus b equals to 1. Okay, so that now we move this minus b to the right hand side. So it will be written as 61 minus 1 equals to b. So this implies that 60 is equals to b. So here we easily find the value of b equals to 60. So that now we find our first target. So that our first target is to find the value of a and b. So value of a equals to 61 and the value of b is equals to 60, and you clearly see here both of these values are positive integer. So this is the our first claim, and now our second claim is to find the area of the given right triangle. So we very well know about the formula of the area of triangle. So it is stated as half times of base multiplied by height. So if you focus in the given triangle, so that our base is 11 and our height is the value of b, and you see here the value of b is 60. So now here we need some simplifications here. So you see here this is 2 times of 3 becomes 6 and 0. So you get here 11 multiplied by 30. Okay, so here this is the traditional way. You can just multiply 11 by 30 in traditional manners or traditional multiplication. Then you easily get the product of these two numbers is 330 square units. Okay, so because we know that area is always calculated in the square units. Okay, so this is the our second target. So here our given claims are, we need to find the area. So our area is 330 and we need to find the value of unknown side. So the unknown side value are 61 and b equals to 60. So these are the required values of our question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.